Welcome back to the channel, and today we're taking a deep, detailed look at the 2026 Renegade RV, a motorhome that blends heavy-duty performance with modern comfort and smart usability. If you're searching for a motorhome that feels confident on the road while still offering a true home-like experience inside, this one is definitely worth your attention. If you enjoyed this detailed review and found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth motorhome reviews. Thanks for watching. Starting with the chassis and driving system, the 2026 Renegade RV is built on a robust commercial-grade platform designed for long-distance reliability and stability. The heavy-duty chassis provides excellent weight distribution, making highway cruising smooth and controlled even when fully loaded. Behind the wheel, the steering wheel feels solid and well-weighted, giving the driver confidence during tight turns or city driving. The pedals, including the accelerator and brake, are responsive and positioned comfortably for long journeys. The dashboard is clean and functional, featuring a clear speedometer, fuel gauge, and digital driver information display that keeps all critical data within easy view. The engine delivers strong torque, ideal for towing and climbing steep grades, while the braking system feels powerful and reassuring, even under heavy loads. A modern rear-view camera system further improves visibility and makes parking or reversing this large motorhome far less stressful. From the outside, the exterior design of the 2026 Renegade RV looks bold, muscular, and purposeful. The body construction feels solid, with high-quality panels and clean paintwork that reflect Renegade's premium standards. The headlights and taillights are modern LED units, providing excellent night visibility while adding a sharp, contemporary look. Large side mirrors offer wide-angle visibility, reducing blind spots on highways. The wheels and tires are heavy-duty, built to handle long road trips and varying road conditions with ease. Exterior compartments are neatly integrated, offering practical access to utilities and storage without disrupting the overall design. Stepping inside, the interior living area immediately feels spacious and thoughtfully designed. High-quality materials, soft touch surfaces, and durable flooring create a comfortable yet practical environment. The sleeping area is especially versatile, featuring a comfortable bed or a foldable sleeping arrangement that maximizes space during the day. Storage cabinets and drawers are placed throughout the cabin, offering ample room for clothing, tools, and travel essentials. LED interior lighting creates a warm and modern atmosphere while remaining energy efficient. Curtains or window blinds provide privacy and help regulate interior temperature during hot or cold days. The kitchen area is compact but extremely functional, making it ideal for life on the road. It includes a well-sized stove and sink, allowing you to prepare full meals with ease. A mini refrigerator is perfectly positioned to store groceries and drinks without taking up excessive space. Countertops offer enough room for food prep, while overhead and lower cabinets ensure everything stays organized. Adjacent to the kitchen, the dining table with seating provides a comfortable space for meals, work, or relaxing with family and friends. The bathroom system is designed for both comfort and practicality. Inside, you'll find a fully enclosed bathroom with a toilet and shower, offering privacy and convenience wherever you travel. The water and plumbing system is well engineered, with reliable freshwater storage, efficient drainage, and easy-to-access controls. This setup makes extended trips and off-grid camping far more manageable. Powering everything inside is a modern electrical system with multiple power sockets and a dependable battery system. This ensures you can run appliances, charge devices, and enjoy onboard systems without worry. The heating and cooling system keeps the interior comfortable year-round, with an efficient air conditioner and ventilation system that quickly adapts to changing weather conditions. For entertainment, the 2026 Renegade RV includes a well-integrated entertainment system, allowing passengers to relax during downtime with music or video. Safety and control systems are also a strong point, with modern monitoring features, solid structural design, and driver assist technologies that enhance peace of mind on the road. Storage and utility options are another highlight, with both interior and exterior storage spaces designed to maximize usability without clutter. Whether it's camping gear, tools, or long-term travel supplies, everything has its place. In terms of performance, the 2026 Renegade RV delivers a confident, smooth driving experience with plenty of power for towing and long-distance touring. Pricing reflects its premium build quality and heavy-duty capability, making it a strong investment for full-time RV living, extended road trips, family adventures, or luxury travel with serious performance needs. Overall, the 2026 Renegade RV stands out as a well-rounded motorhome that combines strength, comfort, and intelligent design. If you enjoyed this detailed review and found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth motorhome reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.